I'm the SRO for a joint project between CDPS and the WRA, a 12-week initial proof of concept into the possibility of a land and data platform for Wales. We're also working with CDPS on our desire to become a fully digital organisation. Working with CDPS not only gave us the skills and experience we needed on our project, but it also changed the way we work. So working in the open and to agile methodology was new to the WRA. It wasn't something we'd done before, and it's a completely different way of working and one that needs to be learned. And we've had such fantastic and enthusiastic people from CDPS helping us to do that, and it's made the project's pace, scope and governance so much better. Working in the open was exciting and such a pivot to how we normally work as a government department. We had to advise on our situation, customer and stakeholders to reach an agreed way of doing it that was right for us. But we wouldn't go back now. We've always taken a user-centred approach, but we want to go further, and as the Revenue Authority for Wales, everything we do should ultimately be for the benefit of the citizens of Wales. We're not driven by shareholders or profits, but doing the right thing in an efficient and considered way. COVID has changed how we interact with stakeholders, and we want to keep that relationship central to our decision-making. Time and money and the right people. We've no shortage of enthusiasm and we have great people, but our whole organisation is under 100 people, so we have to be ruthless in what we spend our time on. But user-centred design and agile working help us focus on what will make the most difference to the people of Wales and to manage that work in the best possible way. Absolutely. We've been so flattered to see people on Twitter complimenting us on how we've approached working in the open. We certainly didn't expect that in our first attempt at it. Our stakeholders have also appreciated being able to drop in and ask questions in the open in our weekly show and tells, and we've appreciated that just as much. It's so aligned to what we consider important to us as an organisation, being open, honest and collaborative, and this was the push we needed to go further on that.